Jittery, unveiled, understanding and emotional expression. Hey there, language learners. Have you ever felt so nervous that your hands trembled? Or maybe you've seen someone looking uneasy before a big event? Today, we're diving into the English word, jittery. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in your everyday conversations. Jittery is an adjective that describes a feeling of extreme nervousness or unease. Imagine you have a big presentation, and you're worried about how it will go. Your palms might be sweaty, your heart might be racing, and you could be feeling shaky. That's when you can say you're feeling jittery. To get a clearer understanding, let's go through some sentences. 1. Before her job interview, Clara felt jittery, meaning Clara was nervous about her upcoming job interview. 2. Too much coffee makes me jittery, meaning drinking a lot of coffee can cause a person to feel shaky or anxious. 3. The team was jittery before the final match, meaning the team was nervous about their important upcoming game. Sometimes, it's good to know other words that can express the same or similar feelings. Here are some synonyms for jittery. 1. Nervous. This is a general term that means feeling anxious or afraid about what might happen. 2. Anxious. This refers to a feeling of worry or unease, often about an imminent event or something with an uncertain outcome. 3. Edgy. This means being tense, nervous, or irritable. Using these synonyms, you can enrich your vocabulary and express the same feeling in different ways. There you have it. Now, not only do you know what jittery means, but you also have a few more words in your arsenal to describe that butterfly in your stomach feeling. Remember, the key to mastering any language is consistent practice and application. So, the next time you feel a little nervous or see someone else who does, you'll know exactly what word to use. We hope this video has been helpful, and stay tuned for more fun and informative lessons.